Howdy y'all, it's Friday, April 17th, and we're just going to do a little checkup on history. And this worksheet is what we want to do, but I'm thinking I might have already assigned it back when we were in school, right when we were starting to talk about the pioneers. So if you don't have it, it's all right. If you do have it and you want to do it, I'm going to show you with the map behind me in a minute about the landforms. And you can also use your map in your history book on page 166 to help you color in the states if you have this. So hold on just a minute, I'm going to show you my map. All right, we talked about this map up here once already in class about the topography of the United States, how some parts have high mountains and some are flat plains. And of course, we talked about the Appalachian Mountains. The Great Smoky Mountains are here in the eastern part of the United States, right above Florida. Here we are. And then in the middle, called the breadbasket of America, a really good place for farming because there's so much flat land. So that's called the Great Plains. And above that are the Great Lakes. You can see the blue squiggly lines are all what? Rivers, right? And then we've got the Rocky Mountains over here. We just have been talking about the Rocky Mountain National Park. Let's talk about this bottom map, the landforms. And we know what mountains are, of course, and hills are smaller than mountains, right? Valleys is the low land between the mountains, and a gorge is very deep cliffs. And here we've got, way down here, we've got an island, and we've got a lake. And the flat land is called plain. And then, of course, the river is running through the valley and out. Eventually, the rivers run out into the ocean. Now, on your paper, if you do find it called Scout It Out, you can see it's a little different than my map. You start with your mountain, and then you go down to a lake. So you can see if you can write those words in. And then you're in looks like a flat area, so I would call that, well, actually, I guess they're saying it's the valley because they don't have the word plain. So that would be the valley instead of the plain because they don't have plain as a choice. And then, of course, you've got your river here, and then you've got the river goes out to the ocean, so you're going to have ocean at the bottom. And then I guess this would be hill. So, because that's the only one that's left, and it is a little hill, isn't it? Okay, so, and then you've got your back part, and that's going to finish our cowboy unit and what we're going to do on history for now. So, you're still going to bring your book back when we come back to school, and we'll try to finish that last end part of the book. But we've gone most of the way. So, yahoo! We're almost finished with the whole book in history. Have a great day.